Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I know why you're here. You want to find out who won our 10 pounds of vinyl. And I don't blame you, it's a lot of vinyl. First of all, I want to thank you all for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 250 videos there all about crafting. So I hope if you're not a subscriber now that you soon will be. And leave a comment, I love to respond to everyone. Okay. Now, without further ado, our winner of 10 pounds of vinyl is Carolyn Hoskins. So Carolyn, congratulations. And if you would, please private message me and give me your contact information so we can send this to you. Much appreciation, everyone. Really glad you joined us, and stay tuned. Bye. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.